Yes, good morning, children. Did you do the homework, children? Yesterday I gave you some homework. Did you do that? Okay. Then in the last class, we already discussed about the whale shark and whales, the difference between whale and whale shark, isn't it? And today we are going to discuss about the length and weight of the whale shark. What is the length of the whale shark and what is the weight of the whale shark? Here telling the length of the whale shark is the length of the whale shark is 18 meter. The length of the whale shark is 18 meter. That 18 meter is just like 12 children of your size standing on top of one another. That is, this length of the whale shark, that is 18 meter, that is just 12 children of your size standing one top of another, top of the others. 12 children of your size. Children of your size standing one on top of the others, top of the other. That is the length of the whale shark. That is 18 meter. That 18 meter is same as to the length of the 12 children together. 12 children of your size standing one on top of the other. Likewise, 12 children standing. What is the length of that? Together, what is the length of that? That is the length of the whale shark. But the weight of the whale shark is, weight of, this is the length, and weight of whale shark is telling whale shark is 16,000 kilogram. That is 16,000 kilogram. That is the weight of the whale shark, 16,000 kilogram. And so here the length already given, that is 18 meter. That 18 meter is same as to 12 children of your size standing one top of the other. Standing one top of the other. What is the length of that together? That is the length of the whale shark. But here the weight of the whale shark, that is 16,000 kilogram. Now what is the weight of yours? Then we want to find out what is the weight of yours. The weight of your size means just like 30 or 30, 32, maximum 35. Likewise, the weight of yours is equal to weight of your size children is equal to 30 kilogram. And 30 kilogram, one child, the weight of one child we can take it as 30 kilogram. And what is the weight of 12 children together? What is the weight of 12 children together? Weight of 12 children is equal to 30 into 12. What is 30 into 12? 30 kilogram. One weight of one child is 30 kilogram. Then what is the weight of 12 children? 12 children, that is 30 into 12. 30 into 12 means what is 30 into 12? That is 360 kilogram. That is 360 kilogram. That is 360 kilogram. That 360 kilogram of 12, that is the weight of the 12 children. But the weight of the whale shark is 16,000 kilogram. That is two different, isn't it? Much more than the 12 children's weight. Here the one child weight is 30 kilogram and the length we already told. The length of the whale shark is the 18 meter. That 18 meter is equal to the length of the 12 children of your size standing one top of the other. Then that is the length, but that is the weight is not equal to that children. 12 children put together. Then 12 children weight is 360 kilogram. That is 360 kilogram. And here the weight of whale shark is 16,000 kilogram. So this is two different. Then here question is, look here children. Here one question, look here in page number 2, here telling one whale shark is as long as 18 meter. That is, just think how long it is. It is almost 12 children of your size standing one on top of the other. And guess what it weighed? Well, much more than what 12 of you together weight was about. The weight of the whale shark is about 16,000 kilogram. Then question is, about how many kilogram do you weigh? About how many kilogram of do you weigh? What is the weight of yours? That you can write it here 30, 32 as according to your whale high weight. Okay. Then next one is, so 12 children like you put together will weight about, that is 12 children put together means 30. If you are taking 30, then 30 into 12, that is 360 kilogram. And next question, about how much more does the whale shark, about how much more does the whale shark weigh than the children like you put together? How much more than the weight of these 12 children? How much more than the weight of the whale shark? How much more than the weight of the 12 children? So we can take it as the weight of the whale shark is 16,000 and weight of the 12 children, that is 360 kilograms. So we want to find out how much more the weight of the whale shark is, how much more than the weight of the 12 children. So we want to find out the difference between these two weight of the 12 children and weight of the whale shark. That is, difference of weight is 16,000 minus 360. 16,000 minus 360, that you can find out. Then what is the answer? 0. 15,640. 15,640 kilogram more weight than 12 children. The weight of whale shark is 15,640 more weight than 12 children. Okay. Then next is look at children, the fish tail. Next one is the fish tail, and to see the difference between the whales and fish, look carefully at their tails. Here look here, this one is the one type of tail and this one is the another one. And can you see the fish fish tail stands flat along its body, but the tail of the whale almost looks like two legs. This one is the whale and the tail, T-A-I-L, tail, not T-A-L-E, T-A-I. Then you can identify from this picture the tail of the whale, that is this one, second picture. And next one is schools of fish. What is schools of fish? Schools of fish means the fish like to swim together in the sea in big group, that is called schools of fish. Schools of fish means so many children are swimming together, that is in a group, that is schools of fish. The fish like to swim together in the sea in big group, that is called schools of fish. You can write it, schools of fish. Schools of fish. Fish like to swim. Fish like to swim together in the sea in big group is called, in big group is called schools of fish. Schools of fish. Fish like to swim together. Fish like to swim in the sea in big group. To swim together in the sea in big group is called schools of fish. Okay. Then in the schools of fish, the small fishes are very safe from the. Then this one is the schools of fish. Then next day we can take it different types of fishes. Here to scurry the bigger fish, some small fishes drink so much water and swell up and look big. Then to scurry away from the biggest fish. Okay. Then next day we can take it this different types of fish. And next one is homework. Homework, you want to know how is writing the numbers. So yes, 1000, you know how many zeros in thousands, how many zeros in 10,000s. Then how is writing the digits of the number. Here, right here, writing figures, yes, 2000, how is writing 2000 children, 2000, look here, 2 and 1000, how many zeros in 1000, 3 zeros, isn't it? So put 3 zeros. And 12,000, 12,000, you can write 12 and how many zeros in 1000? 3 zeros. Okay. Then next 4,600, 4,600. Then you can write it 4,600. 600. Okay. Then next one is homework. Eight thousand, 9,200, 8,000 homework, 8,000, yes, 9,000, 9,200, 6,400, 200, 6,400, 6,400 and 13,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right from 6,000 to 6,000. 6,000 to 6,000. Okay. Okay, children. Bye, children.